Hello everyone. How are you all? So your Nitya ma'am is here again with you with 3 months planner for your JEE Mains January attempt 2026. Yeah, you have seen it, right? How to achieve 99 percentile in JEE Mains 2026 January attempt, even though if you are at zero level right now, even though if you have not started your preparation, even though you are getting very low marks in your mock test. How? Let us see here. So for that you should need a pakka timetable, a perfect timetable for the next 3 months. Okay, so are you doing all these things? Do you have a time bound planner? Are you studying with a clear cut target, either January attempt or the April attempt? Do you have a fixed resources, or you are just solving random questions from any random book? Are you practicing PYQ? Do you have short notes? Because short notes are very important for a quick revision. It is very difficult to revise 90 chapter before just your exam. No, but if you have a short notes, you can do a quick revision. Then some syllabus completion. Are you able to complete your syllabus before your JEE Mains? Then revision, how you are going to revise. So all the question answer is here. Okay, let us see. So how to use Nitya ma'am official YouTube channel. See here, so you have to watch one short video. I will upload for the next 3 months. I am going to upload one chapter, one short. Okay, after that I will upload revision series also. That one shot will be little lengthy, 3 hour, 4 hour, 5 hour. That's cool now. Within 4 hour, 5 hour you will be able to revise your entire chapter thoroughly, and in that one shot I will cover all my star points, all my trick points, and these one shot will be for all the subject: physics, chemistry, mathematics, biology, everything I will upload here. And after that, after uploading the one shot, I will also upload the revision series. That revision series will be only of for 30 to 40 minutes, where I will only revise quickly the entire formula along with the star points. Okay, after that I will upload PhD series. Yes, PhD series means here we will solve all the JEE Mains PYQ along with the advanced PYQs, last 10 years of PYQs, almost 30,000 question set I have prepared, and I will upload here for you slowly for the next 3 months. Okay, after that you have to solve Mains PYQ chapter wise, one playlist will be there. Mains PYQ year wise, full syllabus, one playlist, and then advanced PYQs. First I will try to upload you the Mains PYQs, then short trick series will be there, then formula marathon will be there, and after that 90 days planner. The planner you will get in the PDF. I have pinned the comment. You can download from my Telegram channel. And after that the final test series, without test, without mock test, without practice. Forget about 99 percentile. You cannot even get 9 percentile if you are not giving test. Okay, if you don't have the enough practice. After that, so here I have prepared a roadmap for 99 percentile in JEE Mains. So your target should be either January attempt or April attempt. So I will tell you the pros and cons of both January and the April attempt. Accordingly you decide. Okay. So if you are targeting January attempt, why I have written January attempt is easier as comparison to April attempt. Here is the key point. See, in when we are talking about January attempt, we have only 3 months left, right? So everyone have the less time but the more syllabus, clear? And then along with that we have our board exam also, right? So pre-boards are going on, practicals are going on. So the 12th students are little busy with their pre-boards exam, board exam, practical exam. So a lot of pressure is there. So they are confused either to focus on JEE Mains or to focus on the board, either to focus on JEE Mains or to focus on the board. So at last what will happen? Most of the student will give up here itself. So here when we are talking about JEE Mains January attempt, less competition is there because less time, more syllabus. Okay, and that is the opportunity which you have to utilize. Next, here less competition, more syllabus, less time, and then low cutoff also. So from the past 5 years, this is the trend we have observed, that for example, if 120 marks you are getting 90 percentile in January attempt, same 90 percentile will come around 150 marks in your April attempt. There will be a jump of almost around 30 to 50 marks, right? Because in April attempt board is over, everyone have revised their 12th portion, right? Time is more, everyone will become serious because just now they have got their January attempt result and they have failed very badly. So they will be little warmed, right? So everyone will practice. So that is the reason that the cutoff is more in April attempt. So I hope it is clear. So first you should target for your January attempt, give everything, okay? Because January attempt, very few students will focus, very few. By coming at the end, they all will give up. Clear? So I hope it is clear. January or April, you decide by your own. Okay. So we have only 90 days left, okay? October, November and December, 30, 90 days I have calculated, okay? So how to achieve this 0 to topper level, average to topper level of journey within 90 days. So these are the small things which you have to focus, but I want consistency, I want 200% dedication from your side. You have to watch one shot lecture, you have to solve the DPPs, you have to solve the PYQs, and then you have to revise the formula sheet one time, not two time, or at least 10 to 20 times. The more you will revise, the more conceptual clarity will be there, the more confident you will be there in your concept. There is no shortcut, there is no shortcut, there is no shortcut. There is pure hard work. You have to revise, you have to put efforts if you really want to see yourself next year in some NIT or IIT college. So here we are going to launch JEE Mains January attempt Challenger course. In Challenger course, we will upload one shot lecture, as I have already told you. Along with that, we will make you to practice PYQs. Everyone study, everyone practice. The most difficult task is to keep it in your brain, just to revise. So the entire focus of this Challenger course will be the revision. Why I have kept the name as Challenger? Because it is going to be very challenging. It will demand you 8 to 10 hours in a day. You have to put efforts, you have to practice question, you have to watch the short notes, short series, short video, everything. You have to practice, you have to give the test. If you will miss one day, game is over. The day, just remember one thing, when you are sleeping, that time someone is awake for their dream and they are working hard, okay? Okay. So here are the warning. Before you start the Challenger course, see, if you are not ready to give your 100% commitment, if you can't give your 8 to hour time with me, if you are not consistent, if you can't complete your syllabus at least once, if you can't do 4 to 5 times of revision, then please forget about JMS. Then you just stop here itself. Don't watch the entire video. This video is not for you. This video is not for lazy students. Those who can't be consistent, those who can't give their hard work, dedication, time, efforts for the constantly 90 days, they are not meant for this video, okay? You can just go and see some other chuma type of videos, you know. This is not for you. Next, so you should have clarity according to your potential, according to your capability, and according to your target. There should be a clarity. So this is the cutoff trend I have made by analyzing at least 10 years of cutoff. See here. So if the paper can be either easy, moderate, or tough. Okay. If the paper is easy, then we have to target 190 to 210 marks for 99 percentile, moderate 170 to 190, 99 percentile, tough 150 to 170 for 99 percentile. Okay, if you are targeting 95 percentile in your January attempt, then your target should be 130 to 140 easy paper, 115 to 130 moderate, 100 to 115, just 100 marks. Bacha. If a paper is difficult, just 100 marks and your percentile will be 95 percentile, right around. And then if you are just targeting 90 percentile, easy paper 90 to 105, moderate 80 to 90, and yes, this was the trend for the last 3 to 4 years, 70 to 80 marks and your percentile will be around 90. Do you think out of 300 you will not be able to get 100 marks also? Come on, you will not be able to get 80 to 90 marks in chemistry if you follow Nitya ma'am. It's completely possible. From 0 to here, from 0 to 90 marks, I will take you within these 3 months. Just believe me, follow me, that's all. So let us talk about 99 percentile. Definitely everyone will have, yeah ma'am, I have to get 99 percentile. So what should be your target? This is general target which I believe as a chemistry teacher, I believe chemistry is difficult, and I know I have the full confidence that you will, if you are following me for the next 3 months, 99 percentile in chemistry, that 80 to 90 marks is my guarantee. I will make you to do that, right? So according to the difficulty of the subject interest, you can decide your own cutoff. Maybe you are good in mathematics, so you can you can set a target of 80 marks in maths. But for according to me, what is the most convenient target? I have written here. So you can target chemistry 80 plus easily. Okay, physics 60 plus and mathematics 40 plus. Okay, so if you are targeting 80, 60, 40, so you will be able to reach at 99 percentile in your January first attempt. Okay. After that, test series is very important. If you are not attempting mock test, na, just forget about your JEE mains and all your dreams and all. This exam demand practice. This exam demand at least 30 to 40 mock tests before your JEE mains. Then only your then only your brain will be ready. First, you make your brain ready to handle that pressure, handle that nervousness, handle that stress, na, before your exam. So it is very important. It is very must to practice at least 40 to 50 mock tests before you enter into your center. Okay. So you should write chapter wise test, then you should write 10 tests for full 11th portion, then 10 tests of full 12th portion, and then 20 tests of full syllabus. You can join any of the test series. So many good test series are available in the market. You can join my test series also, and whatever you are like, wherever you are fine, you just join that. The thing is that you have to practice, that's all. Then next very important thing is that you should do time bound study. Okay, you should do time bound study means what we do, we are studying chemical bonding and we are studying, we are solving, and when you will analyze the effectiveness of your hours, then you will see we are studying with just chemical bonding for 4 hours, 5 hours, and we have solved only 50 questions. That we don't have to do. So when you are doing the self, because you don't have time now to waste, you are not in 11th standard, come on, you have only 3 months left, right, only 90 days. So what you have to do, you after studying the, for example, you have studied chemical bonding, one shot from my video. After that, what you do, you just take the PYQ. I will upload the PYQ question. Just take the PDF, take a printout, sit at your home, set the timer, 1 hour 30 question, 1 hour 30 questions, set the timer and then solve. Then only you will understand the effectiveness, your accuracy, your speed, the exam temperament will develop. So you have to study from today itself in a time bound environment. You can even ask help from your parents, your friends, whoever is there. Then let us talk about NCERT. So many students ask, ma'am, is NCERT important for our preparation? Should we do that? So first, as the time is very less, so I will just suggest you, first you focus on your PYQ. Okay, when you are thorough with your previous year question, then after that you do NCERT. Okay, for chemistry only inorganic, organic and inorganic NCERT if you want you can read, but after watching my notes you don't have to see anything. I cover all the NCERT short tricks, points, notes, everything in my notes. Okay, so everything will be covered. You will get a full complete package in your one shot. So for chemistry you don't have to take stress. Yeah, for physics you can solve NCERT book back questions and all. It helps. So many times we have seen that directly they are taking NCERT question, they are splitting it, they are moderating it, and then with some modification they are giving in the JEE mains and even NEET exam also. After that, we have to follow 80-20 rule. What is the 80-20 rule? 80-20 rule says that 80% of question comes only from the 20% of syllabus. 80% question comes only from the 20% of syllabus. So you have to crack that 20% of the syllabus. If you are ready to crack, if you are able to crack that 20%, that's all. The game is over. 80% of the question will come from that. You don't have to worry about that. Your Nitya ma'am is here, right? So I have make a list of the weightage wise chapter. Okay, and all those 20% of the portions I have covered in this PDF. I will give the link of this PDF also. You can just have a glance over that. Everything, we are here to work hard for you. We are providing everything. You just have to follow, work hard, that's all. So we will start our class from the October 1st. Okay, so let us talk about the chemistry. So to get 99 percentile in chemistry, what should be our target? 20 question, 80 marks, right? So yeah, because as chemistry is little easier as comparison to physics and mathematics, so everyone is study it very well. and those who study well, they are easily able to solve at least 20 questions. So around 80 marks you have to get if you want 99 percentile in chemistry. Clear? And there, here is the high weightage chapter: mole concept, thermodynamics, chemical bonding, coordination chemistry, GOC, aldehyde, ketone and carboxylic acid. In this order only I will upload the video. So first video I will upload for mole, then thermo, then chemical, then like this. Okay, after that we have solution 146 question. This I have written the questions. Okay, how many questions they have asked from all the chapter: electrochemistry, P block, atomic structure, chemical, equilibrium, redox, periodic table. Then here it comes our amine, hydrocarbon, biomolecule, alcohol, haloalkane and POC. Okay, so daily one chapter I will upload. Okay, after that here comes our physics. So if you have to target 99 percentile in physics, then what should be your target? 16 question. Yeah, 16 question means 64 marks. So if you are getting around 60 marks in your physics, then your percentile will be 99 percentile. So for to get to solve 16 question, here is the weightage of the chapter. So first I will upload current electricity, then ray optics, thermodynamics, rotational, magnetism, work power energy, modern, capacitor and electrostats. After that we have to study these remaining topics, small kuti topics are there. Okay, wave optics, kinematics, semiconductor, fluid, SHM wave, EM wave, like EM wave, AC, these gravitation, these are easy chapters, small chapters, so we will do it fast. Okay, now let us come to mathematics. So when we are talking about mathematics, most difficult, most problematic subject, not for you, for everyone. So if you are targeting 12 question alone, just 12 question, that is around 48 marks, you will be able to get 99 percentile. So if here is the weightage, if you will do only this section, you will be easily able to get 99 percentile in mathematics. Okay, so calculus, the weightage is 32%, 8 to 9 question, algebra 25%, 6 to 7 question, coordinate 18%, 4 to 5 question, vector and 3D 15%, 3 to 4 question, trigonometry 10%, 2 to 3 questions. Okay, here is the list of the chapters I have provided according to the weightage: 3D geometry, sequence and series, definite integration, differential equation, vector algebra, functions, straight line, binomial theorem and probability. Okay, so what we have to do? One shot and then PYQs of at least 5 here. One shot and the PYQ of these are the, I have uploaded the list of 15 chapter. If you will do this 15 chapter thoroughly, na, you can even target 70 marks also. But here if you feel mathematics is too difficult, then at least 40 marks you are supposed to target to get 99 percentile marks in your January 1st attempt. Okay, here complex, area, limits, matrices, application of derivatives and circle. These are the total 15 chapter. Okay, which can bring more than 70 marks. Yeah, that is the easy 20% rule. So that's what I have done for you. So whatever chapter list I have given, just do that, and 99 percentile is nowhere. Here it is. Just watch the video, solve PYQ. Watch the video, solve PYQ. That's all. So I hope you guys are very excited for our 90 days challenger series. Okay, I just want you 100% commitment, consistency and regular practice. Believe me, it's not very difficult. It's not very difficult. Clear? You just have to target, if the question paper is easy, you have to target 180 to 200 marks. If the question paper is difficult, then around 160 to 170 marks we have to target, and it is doable, bacha. Believe me, in chemistry, just follow me for the next 3 months and 80 to 85 marks, that is my guarantee to bring. But yeah, I want your full dedication. I want you to be honest. You have to solve the question and you have to send me the screenshots, clear, on the Telegram. So that's how I can be connected with you. That's how I can keep an eye over your preparation. If you have any doubt, any query, anything, just comment down. And if you are in Pondicherry and if you need offline classes, just contact this given number. And if you need personal online classes, then also you can contact on this number. Thank you so much. Wish you all the best. I will be very happy to help you. Thank you.